Hey, it's H here, and on today's video we're taking a look at Solana. I'm on Binance chart with logarithmic scale, weekly time frame, and I have a couple of different counts for you. Overall, we're looking at primary 1, primary 2, 3, 4, 5, saying that we ended up here in an cycle 1, and now we're correcting into the wave 2 of cycle degree. The other count says that this is on the primary 3rd and currently correcting on the primary 4th. One thing that I don't like is this extended one, and usually, well, let's check out the other count. This is my backup count, and this is only based on the fact that RSI supports this better, as the third intermediate degree of the primary 3rd is the highest RSI count or rating here. That's why I liked this at least for some time, but I couldn't fit any other count here than just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not invalid, it just doesn't look good. So let's dig in. Ooh, what is this guy? It should be in, yeah. So the other count was this, saying that we topped here on cycle 1, and we can take a look at this leg down. Usually when a degree of some sort ends into 5, it becomes 1 of something, or 3 5th, but this ended something, so the pullback into 2 is usually ending around 1 lower degree of the of 4th. So we should be targeting this area here, and currently we've only come down, well, only but 65% from all-time highs, and we could, and this target is only 77 up to 92, so this still could have long ways to go. Let's hide these fibs for now and dig into the count a bit more. So I've labeled this as WXY, as you will see here. So ABC into here, ABC up here, and then ABC here, and ABC to B intermediary, and then the 5 waves down that looks to be developing at the moment. RSI, lowest point here on the 3rd, and we did a correction up into here. This might be actually a WXY. Let's check that out. So ABC, maybe ABC. Maybe this is actually a diagonal here. I think that's why I labeled it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not pretty as well, but what can you do? So here, the next one. Let's check out the fibs here. So this is from up here, pulled into 1. So ABC into 2. That's why we're putting the end here, and then projecting it to the 4th. And as the 1-to-1 target is down here, this definitely can be some target to have in mind. But it's super close to 3rd, and also 1618 is down here, which is another target as well. So this also supports the fact that we would be correcting well, there's some kind of support here. And let's check out the volume profile. Well, currently sitting on one of the volume bumps. Again, there's this support here, another volume bump, and then only when we get up around this area where that primary fourth mess is happening, there's a lot of other traffic, so I wouldn't be surprised if we come down here on this area where this huge volume area is. The point of control is still down here, which is a bit surprising, but yeah. Any case, what we're currently looking is for this fifth to complete, and then have some kind of 5 waves up. If we don't get 5 waves, we get 3 waves, we instantly know that it's just, this is the first wave, the second, if this is the third. Actually, let me redraw that. So if we say we end up here, we get 3 waves. Come on. We instantly know that this is just the first leg, second, and then we're looking at the third corrective one. And how we would measure that is, again, we would just project this here into here and target the 1-to-1. Depending on how high this goes, the higher this target is, which is good. But if we get 5 waves going in here, there's a chance that this might be the wave 1. But depending again what comes after is up to some people who has more money than we do. So the 3 waves is what we're looking for, and this is some area where we want to take longs, have stop loss below the current low, and whether this develops in here, into here, as a zigzag, or 1, 2, 3, we're still going to get profit here if this wave is like happening, a wave count is happening. If this turns out to be a zigzag, then we're looking again the same thing, a huge correction that is taking another 168 days after this mess here has done its job, and we're looking into way future. But yeah, again, what is this? RSI just hopped into here. Nice. But yeah, that's basically what we're looking for. So 5 waves, 3 down, put a stop loss behind or below the current fifth, and pray. And once we get 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, we are either creating the one of the primary degree, or if this is not, let's put these ones in here. If yeah, either we're creating the primary one or the fifth of this primary degree count into the one, and then we would drop down again. But yeah, that is going to take a lot of time to develop, and we will have definitely time to scale into this position as well. But yeah, that's all for now. I think we've got 2 options to look for. So thanks for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one.